Hello, I'm Carolina and I'm keeping you updated on news. Duolingo reports Q2 revenue up 41% YoY to $252 3M, above $250 7M est. Raises FY 2025 revenue forecast to 1.01b, 1.02b above est. DUOL jumps 14% plus after hours. President Trump says he will impose a tariff of approximately 100% on chips and semiconductors, exempting firms like Apple that committed to build in the US. Apple commits 25B to produce all iPhone and Apple Watch cover glass at Corning's Kentucky facility, part of its plan to invest 600B in the US over 4 years. Lyft reports Q2 revenue up 11% YoY to 1.59B versus 1.61B est. Gross bookings up 12% to 4.5B. Rides up 4.14 to 234.8M versus 235.9M est. LYFT drops 6% plus after hours. DoorDash reports Q2 revenue up 25% YoY to 328B versus 326B est. Total orders up 20% YoY to 761M and forecasts Q3 gross order value above estimates. Airbnb reports Q2 revenue up 13% YoY to $3.01B versus $3.03B est. Net income of 642M versus 599.43M est. Q3 outlook above est and authorizes a 6B share buyback. AI drug discovery startup Chai Discovery raised the 70M Series A led by Menlo Ventures via its co-investment vehicle with Anthropic, valuing it at A55IM. I'll leave it to John to share the products of the day with you.
Thanks, Carolina. Today's products are Speed Vitals. Introducing Speed Vitals, the next generation of web performance testing. Speed Vitals is a powerful website testing tool aimed at improving core web vitals. It provides performance insights to help improve your website's speed. 11 Labs, the most realistic text-to-speech and voice cloning software. The most compelling, rich, and lifelike voices for creators and publishers seeking the ultimate tools for storytelling. Maxim AI. Maxim is an end-to-end AI simulation and evaluation platform, including for the last mile of human-in-the-loop, that empowers modern AI teams to ship their AI agents with quality, reliability, and speed. Its developer stack comprises tools for the full AI lifecycle, experimentation, pre-release testing, and production monitoring and quality checks. Maxim's enterprise-grade security and privacy compliance, including SOC 2 Type 2, HIPAA, and GDPR, ensures that your data is always protected.